In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase connections on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professionals looking to expand their network, find new opportunities, and grow their careers. With a few simple steps, you can significantly increase your connections and make the most of this platform. Let's dive in and explore how you can do just that. Firstly, navigate to the LinkedIn website. You can do this by typing LinkedIn into your search engine or entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll notice two main options for signing in. Sign in with Google or the traditional continue with your account. Choose the one that works best for you. If it's your first time logging in from a new device or it's been a while since your last visit, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for additional security. It's a simple step to ensure that your account and personal information remain secure. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll find the My Network tab. This section is designed to help you discover potential connections based on your industry, interests, and current connections. Click on My Network to move forward in expanding your network. Now, within the My Network section, you'll see various suggestions for people you might know or be interested in connecting with. Next to each suggestion, there's a blue Connect button. When you click on this button, LinkedIn sends a connection request to that person on your behalf. It's a good idea to personalize your connection requests with a brief message explaining why you'd like to connect. This personal touch can significantly increase the likelihood of your request being accepted, as it shows genuine interest and initiative. Remember, growing your LinkedIn network isn't just about increasing numbers, it's about building valuable relationships. Engage with your new connections by liking, commenting on, and sharing their posts. This engagement demonstrates your interest in their work and helps keep you visible in their LinkedIn feed. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind as you expand your network. Regularly update your LinkedIn profile with current information and accomplishments. A complete and up-to-date profile is more appealing to potential connections. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or interests. These groups are excellent places to meet like-minded professionals and engage in meaningful conversations. Attend LinkedIn events or webinars. These can be fantastic opportunities to learn new things and meet people who share your professional interests. Increasing your connections on LinkedIn takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these steps and actively engaging with your network, you'll be on your way to unlocking new opportunities and building stronger professional relationships. That's all for today's guide on how to increase connections on LinkedIn. I hope you found these tips helpful. Happy networking and see you next time.